Brad Hall here, Adidas. They sent me this box that's right here, right next to me. Now, I don't know what's inside this box. It was a complete surprise to get this. So today, we are gonna find out what's inside this box. Welcome to another episode of What's in This Box. This is the show where I try to guess what's inside of a box that someone sent me and I have no idea what's in there. My record, it is not outstanding. I'm actually feeling wildly confident about guessing this one correctly. And I'm going to tell you why right now. There are some pretty significant clues on the outside of this package. So whipping this box around here, you can see in this shot, there it is. It says Human Race on the box. To me, that signals that it's a Pharrell Adidas shoe. Now, on top of this box is probably the biggest clue I've ever had on this show. You've got this type right here, which it actually looks pretty clear in the camera. R-Y-A-T, Ryat, the Ryat. Now, I've seen this word recently, and I've seen it because there is a new Pharrell shoe, and this is what it's called. I know Pharrell has debuted at least one colorway of this shoe in the way that Pharrell always seems to debut shoes. He's sitting on his bike looking really cool on that bike in a new pair of shoes. Classic Pharrell shoe debut photo. Now, of course, Adidas could be trying to trick me. They could have led me down this path, and then inside here, there's something totally different, like sample items for a potential collab they want to propose to me. That could be inside this box, but I don't think they went through all that work. I think we're gonna see the shoe that all these clues point to. So that is my final guess, and let's see what's inside this box. We're gonna pop the top on this. So I do see right off the bat, Human Race. It looks like they didn't trick me on this one. I can see what it is on the label already. Not gonna ruin it for you. Let's open it up first. What is that? What is that? That is the exact shoe that I guessed. Exact colorway too. And I am pretty excited about this shoe. This is a totally new model from what I know. Let me just look this up. So it looks like this shoe maybe hasn't even released yet. That is pretty cool. This is unreleased as of yet. I'm sure it's coming out soon. It's kind of like this futuristic hiking boot. Of course, it's got this new NMD midsole. I love the way they did the logos as the traction pattern on the bottom. It looks like you've got some boost in there. And then these really cool, colorful pieces on the side. They're pretty pronounced. Let me see. Look at that. They jut out from the side of the midsole. The midsole material keeps traveling up to this upper. It's gonna keep your feet dry from at least this point down. The suede on this toe box is very shaggy. It's very nice to run a finger over. A nice little bit of a burly textile right here. Should be very durable. You've got a little bit of this leather-like material around the ankle, and that's also on the inside of the shoe. Should be very comfortable. Might even be nice with no socks. That leather-like material on skin feels really nice. Let me just slip into this really quickly. Very excited to try out that brand new NMD midsole. I just had to stop for a moment. The insole on this is very fun. It's got your colon, intestines. You can feel that boost right away. It's got a nice springiness to this one. You can feel the comfort as soon as you step into them. Got some nice body to it. You feel protected in this shoe, and they do look good on foot. I do like the way they paired with my jeans a whole lot. It is a very cool shoe, and I'm very happy that my record improved on this episode. Now, maybe this one was a bit of a layup, but you still have to make a layup, and it counts as 2 points, the same number of points that you'd get if you dunked the ball. So I think there's a really important lesson in there. So thank you, Adidas, the NMD S1 Ryat, the new Pharrell shoe. Very excited about this, and thanks everyone for watching.